Hello and welcome back to the Nourishment Hut, your ultimate destination for all things health and wellness. We're here to provide you with valuable insights into your body's inner workings, helping you understand how to better nourish and care for it. Remember, our videos are purely educational and not a substitute for professional medical advice. So, before making any major changes to your diet or lifestyle, always consult with a healthcare provider. For more details, please check out our full medical disclaimer in the video description below. Now let's dive into today's topic, the unsung hero of your body. Can you guess which organ we're talking about? Your liver processes everything you eat, drink or breathe in. It's a true workhorse. But did you know that according to the National Library of Medicine National Center for Biotechnology Information, liver disease is a leading cause of mortality, resulting in around 2 million deaths each year, representing about 4% of all global deaths. The majority of these deaths, with men making up about 2/3, are often due to complications from cirrhosis and liver cancer. While acute hepatitis also plays a role, the primary causes of cirrhosis worldwide are linked to viral hepatitis, alcohol consumption, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This often overlooked organ is crucial for our overall health, playing a key role in digestion, metabolism, and detoxification. Alarming, isn't it? The global statistics about liver diseases are a wake-up call, so it's clear that our livers deserve more attention. Let's delve into how we can support our liver health. Many of you may have heard about liver cleansing diets, promising a quick fix to detoxify your liver. But what's the real deal? The truth is, these diets are often based on a misunderstanding of how the liver functions. It's not a storage unit for toxins, but a complex organ that works around the clock to naturally cleanse your body. While the idea of flushing out your liver like a car's oil filter might sound appealing, it's not that simple. These diets can sometimes do more harm than good, leading to nutrient deficiencies and other health issues. Not to mention, there's no substantial scientific evidence to support the effectiveness of these detox diets. The liver is a resilient organ, capable of regenerating itself. However, it needs a balanced diet, not a quick fix. Be wary of promises that seem too good to be true. These diets might sound appealing, but remember, there's no quick fix when it comes to health. Let's turn to what science suggests. Superfoods. Superfoods are nutrient powerhouses that pack large doses of antioxidants, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals. They can help optimize liver health. Now, let's dive into some of these superfoods that are particularly beneficial for your liver. First on our list is broccoli. This green veggie is a natural detoxifier, helping to eliminate toxins and boost liver health. It's packed with glucosinolates, compounds that aid in the production of detoxifying enzymes. Next, we have fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are known to reduce inflammation and prevent fat buildup, promoting a healthier liver. Nuts, particularly walnuts, are another superfood for your liver. They're high in antioxidants and healthy fats, which can improve liver enzyme levels and combat oxidative stress. Berries, especially blueberries and cranberries, are filled with antioxidants that delay brain aging and improve memory. But did you know they also help keep your liver healthy? They contain anthocyanins, compounds that reduce liver damage and enhance its function. Lastly, we can't forget about green tea. This soothing beverage is rich in catechins, a type of plant antioxidant that's been shown to eliminate liver fat accumulation and promote proper liver function. Incorporating these superfoods in your diet can be a game changer for your liver health. Remember, your liver works hard for you. It's time you return the favor. Thank you for joining us today at the Nourishment Hut. We are delighted that you stopped by today. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share with family and friends. Have a liver healthy day.